some slime activator. Really fun. Really fun. First thing, you're gonna need to grab some utensils. You're gonna need one pitcher, some borax. It's only $2.99. Get it at your local craft store or Amazon. Really easy, $2.99. I think it's really fun. What you're gonna need is one teaspoon, a spoon, 1/4 of a cup, and 1 cup. And the last thing you're gonna need is a liquid measuring cup. First thing you're gonna need to do is take your pitcher and pour 1 cup. Pretty easy. Boop. Okay. After that, you're going to pour it into the liquid measuring bowl. See if it is exactly 1 cup and perfect. Okay. Now what you're gonna need is you're gonna take your borax, open it, easy, and then pour very careful. Maybe stop for once and level it out. And slowly put 1 teaspoon in. Once you do that, take your spoon and mix. You're gonna do this for about 5 minutes. And once you're finished with that, I'm gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Okay. Take a really nice container. You don't have to make it nice. I just love containers. I'm satisfyingly in love with them. Take your container, try your spoon, and slowly, very slowly, pour this all in. And this happens a lot to me, so if you have a lot of extra, take a little more water. Do this. If it spills, just clean it up. Mix that for a little bit. And then pour it. Sometimes I spill, it's fine. Then after that, take the cap, plug it, and shake. And you're ready to go. And that's my tutorial today. Have fun making this. Bye!